Hey there guys, today we'll be painting the Dragon Hatchling from Reaper Merches to the tabletop level standard. First thing you want to do is get yourself a sharp blade and carefully trim the casting line off the model. Make sure you take care and cut away from yourself. I've basecoated the whole model with deep red using my airbrush, but you can do this by hand if you like. Firstly, you need to dilute some Nightmare Black with water until it's nice and thin, and wash this over the entire model to bring out the shadows. Go get yourself a cup of tea while this dries. Next, take some blood red and pop it on your palette. Grab an old brush, I'm using a makeup brush for this, don't tell my sister. Wipe most of the paint off on a rag and then lightly dry brush this over the entire model to bring out the raised details. Paint the base with earth brown. Paint the leathery bits of his wings with burgundy wine. Now paint his teeth and claws with aged bone. Layer up his wings with a mix of burgundy wine and violet red, leaving some of the darker colour showing at the edges where it meets his scaly bits. Finally, highlight his claws with polished bone. And with that, the model is done. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and we will see you next time.